This vegan caramel sauce is incredible. I had to learn how to make it because I love caramel sauce and I have not been eating it for years. Now I've figured out the vegan version, super easy, simple, fast. It has so many uses. I hope you make it. It stays in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. You're gonna love it. It's awesome, easy to make, so delicious. If you're looking for a healthy vegan caramel sauce recipe, go no further. Here it is, my vegan caramel sauce. So delicious and so fast and easy to make. I promise you're gonna love it. So here are the ingredients for my caramel sauce. Coconut cream, coconut palm sugar, cornstarch, sea salt, vanilla. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna take the coconut cream, nice and thick here. Gonna drop it into my blender. This also makes good coconut whipping cream, just saying. This whole can is pretty thick, so I'm gonna use it. If you have liquid, you just save the liquid. Then you wanna take your cornstarch, put that in there. I'm just gonna put the lid on, and we're gonna put it onto the blender. Here we go. Let's bring that up over here. If it gets a little thick, a little stuck, you can add a little liquid to it. Some coconut milk or a little bit of water. And then you just try it again. No problem. Okay, now we're gonna go over to the stovetop. I've got my stovetop on medium-high heat and I've got a saucepan over there and we're gonna make the rest of this caramel sauce over there. So simple, just coconut palm sugar. Give it a little stir just to get the coconut palm sugar kind of warmed up before we bring in the coconut cream. Make sure you have a whisk nearby and then a stirring spoon, a wooden spoon or some kind of a stirring spoon, that should be fine. Okay, so we're gonna get this coconut cream with the cornstarch into this pan right now. And don't worry, if you forget to blend the coconut cream and the cornstarch, you can always slowly add the cornstarch, sprinkle it in and just constantly whisk and it'll be fine. All right, so we're just gonna give it a nice whiskey here until all of this kind of combines and melts down. And the key to this is on the stove top at like a medium low for about 10 to 15 minutes or until you see a thick, glossy caramel consistency. Everybody's stovetop is different. I totally get that. For me, I've done it quite a few times and I just noticed about 15 minutes on this stovetop on like a medium low. You definitely don't want to burn it. You want to give it a nice stir. See how it's bubbling up? It's really coming together nicely. It still needs some more time to thicken, so we're only 5 minutes in here. Okay, this is good. We're gonna get this to cool off on the counter and then we're gonna pour it into a heat-proof glass container. So here it is, my delicious and gorgeous vegan caramel sauce. All right, so what we're gonna do, so we're just gonna pour in the vanilla and then we're gonna add in the sea salt because I want it to be a little salty. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, okay. So we're just gonna give it a nice stir. And it's happy, happy, happy. Beautiful, look at that vegan caramel sauce. Who would have thought, right? And it's so easy and simple, you guys, really. And honestly, if you're at home and you have coconut cream and you have either brown sugar or coconut palm sugar, but you're like, don't have the cornstarch, you can use arrowroot starch, which I'm guessing if you don't have cornstarch, you probably don't have arrowroot starch. But anyways, you can also make it without any of that and it'll still come out nice. You just have to make sure you monitor it on the stovetop. Keep whisking, keep stirring every so often. Don't leave it alone for too long and make sure you keep your heat nice and low. Okay, so let's add it into this airtight container, heat-proof airtight container. Look, I can't even, I have to just brag on this. Look how gorgeous this is. I mean, really. And it's a healthier version of caramel sauce. So I'm super excited about that. So there it is, my fast and easy vegan caramel sauce. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you make it. Make sure you leave me a comment, tell me what you think. And remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.